Now, we can do this question a long way, or we can do this question a short way. Starting off with the long way of order of operations, if you were doing your order of operations, you would do inside the brackets first. And what is 7 minus 10? Negative 3. And then you would have negative 3 squared is positive 9. And then the square root of positive 9 is 3. That would be considered the long way. It didn't really take us that long, but we could figure out the square roots this way. Now, in mathematics, we have some things that cancel each other out. Okay? For example, if I got you to do a little bit of mental math. You ready? Mental math brains ready? Okay. 4 times 6,391. And now, divide by 6,391. 4. Did you guys skip the step in? I saw some of you skip the step in the middle. Some of you skipped the 4 times 6,391. Because multiplying and dividing by the same number cancel each other out. They're inverses of each other, and so they cancel each other out. Just like if I got you to take a number like 32 and square it. Got the new number in your head? Now square root it. And you come back to 32, right? Because squaring and square rooting cancel each other out because they're opposites. So a shortcut for this one is as follows. People see, well, I'm squaring and square rooting. That should cancel each other out. But we have to be careful because if I just cancel them out, what am I left with? Negative 3. So if you want to cancel them out, you need to add absolute value bars. Because a square root is always positive. And then you would get absolute value of minus 3, which becomes positive 3 as well. So often this is nicer because you don't have to do as much math, but you have to remember that if you got a negative answer, you'll have to go back and add absolute value bars because a square root is always positive. So questions you can do for this one are 6, 10, and 11.